Hi, my name is Radadiya and I am a student of Computer Engineering from Edu Patel Institute of Technology, Anand. And this is my application for Microsoft Student Partner for academic year 2019-20. I am a kind of person who likes to mix around technology. I was a part of VFX team in various events in which I worked on Filmora, Photoshop, After Effects, Unity 3D, so on for graphical work. I also know about various programming languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and Python. I have participated in Microsoft Azure workshop which was held at our college. Even I have participated in various hackathons. I also helped in UI development of mobile application and website based on Flutter with a backend of Firebase and a framework based on .NET. By being Microsoft student partner, I would be delighted to help familiarize my fellows with latest technology. I possess both knowledge and confidence to accomplish various tasks given during entire program by Microsoft. I look forward to a year of learning, sharing and adventure.